Nokian Tyres developed the world's first winter tyre for trucks in 1934. Nowadays, the world's northernmost tyre manufacturer applies its expertise to the design of safer, more durable and more economical tyres. Our relentless activities aim at exceeding even our clients' highest expectations. For overcoming challenging winter conditions, we offer the Nokian Hakkapeliitta Truck product family with its extreme grip properties. For quickly changing weather conditions, we have designed the high-quality Nokian Hakka Truck tyres. The Nokian NTR tyres, developed for all-year commercial operation, offer a cost-effective option for transport entrepreneurs who value safety. Our top-performance Nokian Knock-Top retreading materials help in achieving the optimal tyre selection for heavy equipment. We tailor our high-quality products for challenging conditions and different road surfaces. Modern truck tyres are created by means of applying competent product development and utilising the latest research results. Our customer-oriented development ideas, millions of kilometres of testing in various usage environments, and close follow-up all year round refine the best possible tyres. Our testing activities in Ivalo, in the harsh conditions of Finnish Lapland, and the test track in Nokia allow us to reach unique innovations. We test our products in real-life environments to make them work flawlessly under difficult, demanding and varying conditions. Developing a world-class tyre requires a high level of technological expertise, experience, focus and a relentless attitude. The first-class grip of our truck and bus tyres under extreme conditions keep professional drivers on schedule and safely on the road. Thanks to optimal tread pattern design, the lightly rolling tyres guarantee low tyre noise, pleasant handling and low rolling resistance that reduces fuel consumption. Advanced, durable tread compounds maintain their characteristics throughout the extended life cycle of the product. Nokian Tyres has developed several innovations improving the properties of the tyre. These include the twin block pattern and spiral sipe system improving grip, and the driving safety indicator, DSI, and winter safety indicator, WSI, providing additional safety. Truck tyres from Nokian Tyres are labelled M+S, signifying they can be used all year round. The Nokian Knock-Top retreading materials offer our customers the same state-of-the-art features as other products from Nokian Tyres. Retreading means cost efficiency and eco-friendliness at their best. By reusing the same tyre casing up to 3 times, you can save energy, raw materials and money. Our Nordic expertise brings with it the ability to value and understand nature and all its peculiarities. Together with our partners, we require and nurture the principles of sustainable development. As regards eco-friendliness, we are a pioneer in green kilometres. We were the first tyre manufacturer in the world to switch to purified, low aromatic oils. Our tyres are designed and manufactured to cause a minimum load to the environment. We offer our customers openness and direct personal contacts. We are agile and can be present wherever our products are used. Our strong brand and reputation, as well as effective logistics solutions and delivery processes, are an important part of profitable cooperation. Nokian Tyres is a popular partner wherever professional transport requires safe and reliable solutions.